Hello, how are you doing? It's Glastonbury weekend at the moment. Today's the final day, and it always makes me think of one of the most memorable live music experiences I've ever had, which was seeing Radiohead headlining the main stage quite a long time ago. They played, they were amazing, incredible, but in particular, there was a moment that always sticks with me, which was when they played No Surprises. And the sort of quiet bit in the middle, it's just the guitar riff playing and Tom sort of singing, I think. And there were some fireworks popped in a distant field. And it was just an amazing sort of music, fireworks, it was a magical moment. So I played a wee cover of that song, which I'm going to post